Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're going to show you how to make corn dogs and egg rolls in nothing more than an air fryer. So you're going to want to use any type of mini corn dogs and mini egg rolls that you like. I like Chung's. Honestly, they do a mini spring roll as well, and that's kind of what I was looking for, but this is good too. So you add your egg rolls to the fryer basket, as I have done there. You can do the whole bag if you'd like to, but I only wanted a couple.
You spread them out evenly.
Yeah, spread them out evenly so they're not on top of each other in a single layer. And then pop the basket back in your air fryer. Set your temperature to 320 and your timer to 8 minutes. And after 8 minutes, that's what you get.
They look delicious.
They were delicious. So delicious. And then they typically provide sauce packets of sweet and sour sauce. So that's
there.
what that is.
Yep. Now on to the mini corn dogs.
Yep.
Pretty much prepared the same way?
Pretty much the same thing. It's just different times, different temperatures. So, and I find it weird that the mini corn dogs come in that small little bag inside the box. Have you ever kind of wondered why?
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah. So the temperature for this one is 390 and the time is 7 minutes. They turn out really, really good. And guess what? No heating up your kitchen.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, that's fantastic.
So you've had them both ways, in the oven and the air fryer. What would you say? Would you say that eating them from the air fryer is just as good as eating them from the oven?
I think it's actually better because when you're starving now, you get egg rolls or corn dogs in a shorter amount of time.
All right, well, that's the finished product there.
Oh yeah, now wait a minute. Here's my final thought. So we paired the corn dogs with mayo chup as well. It's a combination of ketchup and mayo. Try it. It's really good.
All right, so that's just about do it for this one, unless you have any final thoughts.
No, I think that should be about it.
All right, well, this has been our video about making corn dogs and egg rolls in an air fryer instead of an oven. Yeah. So everybody have a great day.
Yep. Stay tuned for more videos, guys.